job orders, and 67 budgetary personnel. The district has been maintaining a total road length of 156.03 km national road, of which 70.417 kilometers are asphalt and 85.61 kilometers are concrete. Surigao del Norte's 2nd Engineering District also maintains 56 bridges, including 2,521.52 linear meter concrete bridges and 582.23 linear meter steel bridges. Focused on building for progress, its massive projects are only the beginning to an even bigger Surigao del Norte. Being implemented in the major areas along the stretch of Surigao Wharf Road are the Maharlika-Lipata-Surigao section, Surigao-Davao Coastal Road, QUEZON-MAPAWA-CAPALAYAN-ESPINA-NAVARRO Road, and San Juan Coastal Road. As the entry point to Mindanao, the Lipata Port and Ferry Terminal has a significant role to the extensive Pan-Philippine Highway H26 Maharlika Highway in the northernmost terrain of Mindanao that winds up in Surigao City, dissecting the Surigao Valley before Surigao-Davao Coastal Road spur at Bad-As section, Surigao-Davao Coastal Road, QUEZON-MAPAWA-CAPALAYAN-ESPINA-NAVARRO Road, and San Juan Coastal Road. As the entry point to Mindanao, the Lipata Port and Ferry Terminal has a significant role to the extensive Pan-Philippine Highway H26 Maharlika Highway in the northernmost terrain of Mindanao that winds up in Surigao City, dissecting the Surigao by protecting nature. The agency supports environmental activities, maintained and improved its environment-friendly workplace, in which the district earned its nomination as one of the eco-friendly DEO in the Philippines. The Department of Public Works and Highways Surigao del Norte section which is now a steadfast agency of the province. Located at the gateway of Mindanao, the district plays a major role in the infrastructure development that focuses on the improvement and widening of roads, bridges, as well as flood control systems, school buildings, and other public facilities. Its jurisdiction covers 11 municipalities and one component city. Currently, the district has a total workforce of 418 employees, 351 job orders, and 67 budgetary personnel. The district has been maintaining a total road length of 156.03 km national road in the northernmost terrain of Mindanao that winds up in Surigao City, dissecting the Surigao The Department of Public Works and Highways Surigao del Norte's 2nd District Engineering Office humbly started with a goal to be an instrument of economic growth. Along with its colorful history, DPWH is now a steadfast agency of the province. Located at the gateway of Mindanao, the district plays a major role in the infrastructure development that focuses on the improvement and widening of roads, bridges, as well as flood control systems, school buildings, and other public facilities. the Cayutan-Canlanipa Road section, passing through its coastal barangay, which is foreseen to serve as an alternative route as distance savings, particularly for those heavy truckload vehicles going to and coming from the seaport area. This road also interconnects the city station for easy mobility. The district also implemented road projects in the countryside that enhance and hasten economic development in terms of tourism, deliveries of goods, and access to social services. To address critical flood problems of the province, the district is mitigating structures on drainage system that would consequently prevent damage of properties and loss of lives. Giving solution on classroom shortage, DPWH SDN2 continuously construct various school building projects in both mainland and island barangays, from a 1-story to a 4-story school and technical workshop buildings. The district does not only work on improving lives through quality infrastructure, but also work on refining lives by protecting nature. The agency supports environmental activities, maintained and improved its environment-friendly workplace, in which the district earned its nomination as one of the eco-friendly DEO in the Philippines. The Department of Public Works and Highways Surigao del Norte's 2nd District Engineering Office humbly started with a goal to be an instrument of economic growth. Along with its colorful history, DPWH is now a steadfast agency of the province. Located at the gateway of Mindanao, the district plays a major role in the infrastructure development that focuses on the improvement and widening of roads, bridges, as well as flood control systems, school buildings, and other public facilities. Its jurisdiction covers 11 municipalities and 1 component city. Currently, the district has a total workforce of 418 employees, 351 job orders, and 67 budgetary personnel. The district has been maintaining a total road length of 156.03 km national road, of which 70.417 kilometers are asphalt and 85.61 kilometers are concrete. Surigao del Norte's 2nd Engineering District also maintains 56 bridges, including 2,521.52 linear meter concrete bridges and 582.23 linear meter steel bridges. Focused on building for progress, its massive projects are only the beginning to an even bigger Surigao del Norte. Being implemented in the major areas along the stretch of Surigao Wharf Road are the Maharlika-Lipata-Surigao section, Surigao-Davao Coastal Road, QUEZON-MAPAWA-CAPALAYAN-ESPINA-NAVARRO Road, and San Juan Coastal Road. As the entry point to Mindanao, the Lipata Port and Ferry Terminal has a significant role to the extensive Pan-Philippine Highway H26 Maharlika Highway in the northernmost terrain of Mindanao that winds up in Surigao City, dissecting the Surigao Valley before Surigao-Davao Coastal Road spur at Badas Placer. The construction of a road opening at the secondary road leading to the city port area linked from QUEZON-MAPAWA Road transversing the Cayutan-Canlanipa Road section, passing through its coastal barangay, which is foreseen to serve as an alternative route as distance savings, particularly for those heavy truckload vehicles going to and coming from the seaport area. This road also interconnects the city streets for easy mobility of motorists and delivery of goods and services. The district also implemented road projects in the countryside that enhance and hasten economic development in terms of tourism, deliveries of goods, and access to social services. To address critical flood problems of the province, the district is mitigating structures on drainage system that would consequently prevent damage of properties and loss of lives. Giving solution on classroom shortage, DPWH SDN2 continuously construct various school building projects in both mainland and island barangays, from a 1-story to a 4-story school and technical workshop buildings. The district does not only work on improving lives through quality infrastructure, but also work on refining lives by protecting nature. The agency supports environmental activities, maintained and improved its environment-friendly workplace, in which the district earned its nomination as one of the eco-friendly DEO in the Philippines. The Department of Public Works and Highways Surigao del Norte's 2nd District Engineering Office humbly started with a goal to be an instrument of economic growth. Along with its colorful history, DPWH is now a steadfast agency of the province. Located at the gateway of Mindanao, the district plays a major role in the infrastructure development that focuses on the improvement and widening of roads, bridges, as well as flood control systems, school buildings, and other public facilities. Its jurisdiction covers 11 municipalities and 1 component city. Currently, the district has a total workforce of 418 employees, 351 job orders, and 67 budgetary personnel. The district has been maintaining a total road length of 156.03 km national road, of which 70.417 kilometers are asphalt and 85.61 kilometers are concrete. Surigao del Norte's 2nd Engineering District also maintains 56 bridges, including 2,521.52 linear meter concrete bridges and 582.23 linear meter steel bridges. Focused on building for progress, its massive projects are only the beginning to an even bigger Surigao del Norte. Being implemented in the major areas along the stretch of Surigao Wharf Road are the Maharlika-Lipata-Surigao section, Surigao-Davao Coastal Road, QUEZON-MAPAWA-CAPALAYAN-ESPINA-NAVARRO Road, and San Juan Coastal Road. As the entry point to Mindanao, the Lipata Port and Ferry Terminal has a significant role to the extensive Pan-Philippine Highway H26 Maharlika Highway in the northernmost terrain of Mindanao that winds up in Surigao City, dissecting the Surigao Valley before Surigao-Davao Coastal Road spur at Badass Placer. The construction of a road opening at the secondary road leading to the city port area linked from QUEZON-MAPAWA Road transversing the Cayutan-Canlanipa Road section, passing through its coastal barangay, which is foreseen to serve as an alternative route as distance savings, particularly for those heavy truckload vehicles going to and coming from the seaport area. This road also interconnects the city streets for easy mobility of motorists and delivery of goods and services. The district also implemented road projects in the countryside that enhance and hasten economic development in terms of tourism, deliveries of goods, and access to social services. To address critical flood problems of the province, the district is mitigating structures on drainage system that would consequently prevent damage of properties and loss of lives. Giving solution on classroom shortage, DPWH SDN2 continuously construct various school building projects in both mainland and island barangays, from a 1-story to a 4-story school and technical workshop buildings. The district does not only work on improving lives through quality infrastructure, but also work on refining lives by protecting nature. The agency supports environmental activities, maintained and improved its environment-friendly workplace, in which the district earned its nomination as one of the eco-friendly DEO in the Philippines. The Department of Public Works and Highways Surigao del Norte's 2nd District Engineering Office humbly started with a goal to be an instrument of economic growth. Along with its colorful history, DPWH is now a steadfast agency of the province. Located at the gateway of Mindanao, the district plays a major role in the infrastructure development that focuses on the improvement and widening of roads, bridges, as well as flood control systems, school buildings, and other public facilities. Its jurisdiction covers 11 municipalities and 1 component city. Currently, the district has a total workforce of 418 employees, 351 job orders, and 67 budgetary personnel. The district has been maintaining a total road length of 156.03 km national road, of which 70.417 kilometers are asphalt and 85.61 kilometers are concrete. Surigao del Norte's 2nd Engineering District also maintains 56 bridges, including 2,521.52 linear meter concrete bridges and 582.23 linear meter steel bridges. Focused on building for progress, its massive projects are only the beginning to an even bigger Surigao del Norte. Being implemented in the major areas along the stretch of Surigao Wharf Road are the Maharlika-Lipata-Surigao section, Surigao-Davao Coastal Road, QUEZON-MAPAWA-CAPALAYAN-ESPINA-NAVARRO Road, and San Juan Coastal Road. As the entry point to Mindanao, the Lipata Port and Ferry Terminal has a significant role to the extensive Pan-Philippine Highway H26 Maharlika Highway in the northernmost terrain of Mindanao that winds up in Surigao City, dissecting the Surigao Valley before Surigao-Davao Coastal Road spur at Badas Placer. The construction of a road opening at the secondary road leading to the city port area linked from QUEZON-MAPAWA Road transversing the Cayutan-Canlanipa Road section, passing through its coastal barangay, which is foreseen to serve as an alternative route as distance savings, particularly for those heavy truckload vehicles going to and coming from the seaport area. This road also interconnects the city streets for easy mobility of motorists and delivery of goods and services. The district also implemented road projects in the countryside that enhance and hasten economic development in terms of tourism, deliveries of goods, and access to social services. To address critical flood problems of the province, the district is mitigating structures on drainage system that would consequently prevent damage of properties and loss of lives. Giving solution on classroom shortage, DPWH SDN2 continuously construct various school building projects in both mainland and island barangays, from a one-story to a four-story school and technical workshop buildings. The district does not only work on improving lives through quality infrastructure, but also work on refining lives by protecting nature. The agency supports environmental activities, maintained and improved its environment-friendly workplace, in which the district earned its nomination as one of the eco-friendly DEO in the Philippines. The Department of Public Works and Highways Surigao del Norte's 2nd District Engineering Office humbly started with a goal to be an instrument of economic growth. Along with its colorful history, DPWH is now a steadfast agency of the province. Located at the gateway of Mindanao, the district plays a major role in the infrastructure development that focuses on the improvement and widening of roads, bridges, as well as flood control systems, school buildings, and other public facilities. Its jurisdiction covers 11 municipalities and one component city. Currently, the district has a total workforce of 418 employees, 351 job orders, and 67 budgetary personnel. The district has been maintaining a total road length of 156.03 km national road, of which 70.417 kilometers are asphalt and 85.61 kilometers are concrete. Surigao del Norte's 2nd Engineering District also maintains 56 bridges, including 2,521.52 linear meter concrete bridges and 582.23
Good morning to each and everyone. So, morning also to our online viewers on YouTube. For the Department of Public Works and Highways, Legal Northeast and Engineering Office, Building and Works Committee, we will conduct pre-bid conference for advertised contracts. So before we officially start, I ask everyone to please bow our heads. Let us pray. Lord, thank you, Lord, for this day. Thank you, for protection. Thank you, blessings. This day and point. Of this activity, we pray and give this one wisdom, understanding, faith, confidence, faith, something to bless us. We give it time. We cover along Jesus. And I ask you in people for the seating of attendance.
Good morning, everyone. For this morning private conference, February 16, 2024, for the back member, Arnel C. Capila,
Present.
Romel A. Priapi, Adalberto A. Pihan, Ricky D. Ariate. So, for the back member, Mr. Chair, 4 out of 5, the back member is in quorum. And for the back secretariat, Maria Cobina Vivero, John Roderick Boyko, Gastano Ilga for the right to be representative. For the bridge, as a PDS representative, Dave A. Vidita. And for the another representative, Virgilio G. Arisa. For the PDS, Philnan C. Malinaw. PDS representative, Bangis Judy B. And for the ICT staff, Jeannie Peterse. And for the PAC TWG, Hiso F. Kitano Jr. That's all, Mr.
Thank you. So hearing the back is in forum, so we will proceed with the activity. So first, that we will discuss the agenda for the previous conference. So the first part will be the discussion of the plans and quantities. And also, second part will be the discussion of the documentary requirements for the opening of this ticket. So for the first contract that will be discussed, 23 NG 0149, replacement of bridges, temporary to permanent, OROK bridge with the bridge ID number of B00B1510, and indications, we go city, station 1137 plus 916 to station 1137 plus 940, with an ABC of 31,360,000 pesos and a contract duration of 282 calendar days. This will be discussed from the planning section. Okay.
Good morning to everyone. In behalf of Engineer Sondra, Center of the project 23 NGO 149, replacement of bridges, temporary to permanent of bridge along QUEZON-MAPAWA-CAPALAYAN-ESPINA-NAVARRO Road, Barangay OROK, Surigao City at station K1137 plus 116 to K1137 plus 940. Okay, so we have here the summary of quantities. Item A.1.18 provision of field office for the engineer. Units is 4 month and total quantities per plan is 7.40. Per program is 7.40. Next is the A.1.2 one provision of 4x4 pickup type service vehicle for the engineer, 1 unit. A.1.2 5 operation and maintenance of 4x4 pickup type service vehicle for the engineer. Unit is vehicle per month, 7.4 per plan and 1 per program. Next is the B4-5 bridge survey and staking. Units is lump sum, quantity is per plan is 1 and per program is 1. B5 project billboard and signboard. Unit is each 3 quantities per plan and per program as per DO 58 series of 2006. Next is B.72 occupational safety and health program. Lump sum, quantity is 1 per DO number 56 series of 2006. Next is the B.81 traffic management. Lump sum and the quantities per plan and program is 1. B.9 mobilization and demobilization. Lump sum, quantity is 1 as provision of standard warning signs and barricades. B.15.1 detour access road. Lump sum, quantity is 1 per plan and 1 per program. 101.1 removal of structures and obstruction. Lump sum, quantity is per plan and program is 1. 101.3 B2 removal of actual structures and obstruction. Per square meter, quantity is 80.16 per plan and per program. Remarks of this is the removal of existing PCCP, 0.20 meters thick and reinforced. And 101.7A removal of structures and obstructions, quantity is kilogram. Our unit is kilogram and quantity is 53,167.87 per plan and per program. It is the removal of existing steel structures. And 103.2 A1 bridge structures excavation common soil per cubic meter, 380.90 per plan and per program. 104.2A embankment from barrow common soil. Unit is cubic meter. Quantity is 612.43 per plan and per program. 204.1A Portland cement stabilized road mix base course new soil aggregate per cubic meter. Quantity is 12.52 per plan and per program. This is for approach slab A and B 0.20 meter thick. 3112 F1 Portland cement concrete pavement reinforced 0.30 meter thick 14 days. Unit is square meter and the quantity is 62.59 per plan and per program. This is for the approach slab A and B. Next is the 404A1 precast concrete piles furnished 400 by 400 mm. The quantity is per meter 638 as per plan and per program. This is for bridge piles for the length of 29 meters. 414 precast concrete piles driven. Unit is meter and the quantity is 616 as per program and plan. This is also for the bridge piles for the length of 28 meters. 416A test piles furnished and driven 400 by 400 mm. Unit is meter and the quantity is 58 as per plan and per program. This is also for the bridge test pile. Next is 4012A concrete railing standard. Unit is meter and the quantity is 58.18 as per plan and per program. This is for the bridge rating. 4041A, reinforcing steel grade 40. Unit is kilogram, quantity is 821.60 as per plan per program, excluding bars for approach lab, concrete railings, and slope protection. 4041B, reinforcing steel grade 60. Unit is also kilogram. Quantity is 28,023.63 as per plan and per program, excluding bars for approach lab, concrete railings, and slope protection. 4051A3, structural concrete 21 MPa, class A 28 days. Unit is per cubic meter, and the quantity is 11.51 as per plan and per program for this 4-5 cup. And 4051B3, structural concrete 28 MPa, class A 28 days. Unit is per cubic meter, and the quantity is 202.65 as per plan and per program, excluding concrete for approach lab, concrete railings, and slope protection. 4061 F8, pre-stressed structural concrete members, 30 meters, type 4B. Unit is each, and the quantity is 4 as per plan and program. Next is the 4078, thin concrete class B 16.5 MPa. Unit is cubic meter, and the quantity is 2.31 as per plan and program. 4112 paint, unit is square meter, and the quantity is 196.59 as per plan and program. Remarks is to apply 2 layers. And 4121 elastomeric bearing pads, unit is each, and the quantity is 8 as per plan and program. 5052A grouted riprap, unit is cubic meter, quantity is 4.28 as per plan and program, class A for side drain and for transitional. 5091B1 sheet pile steel slope protection, unit is linear meter, and the quantity is 272 as per plan and program, the length of 4 meters. 5102 concrete slope protection, unit is cubic meter, quantity is 88.17 as per plan and program. 51718 drain pipes, linear meter, quantity 24 as per plan and program. 100 diameter galvanized iron pipes with end supports. 603 3A1, the metal guardrails, metal beam, wooden post, linear meter, quantity of 17.32 as per plan and program. And lastly, 603 for the metal beam and piece ball nose, unit is each, and the quantity is 4 as per plan and program. So we have here the topographic plan. The first approach of the new bridge is at station 1137 plus 913.32. And the second approach of the new OROK bridge is at station 1137 plus 943.32. So the total length of the bridge from back wall, from back wall A and back wall B is 30 meters. So we have here the elevation, the design plan elevation of 2.079, and the freeboard is 1.10 meters from the design plan elevation.
So may elevation sa kwan,
sa riverbed. Ito yung elevation. Ano yung elevation, no? Kaya na ang elevation din nila, ano, sa copying ng mga elevation.
Ang magandang may similar ko ang system. So, bibigit, yeah. Kali may kwan doon, may item na removal na funds. Oh, sir, yes. Kaya dito.
Actually, sir, wala mo pa dito. Awa, jawa mo dyan, sir, kay system management.
Ikaw sa item ganun ba ha?
Dato,
Dato, sir.
mobile ng 58,000.
Kindly go back on ano, yeah, sa kwan. Iabot
Kita,
ko kami.
kilogram. Mobile.
Iabot ko kami. Yeah. Kindly take notice ko sa item 812. Open 5, no? Operation and maintenance of 4x4.
Yes.
As per plan is 7.4, then as per
One gram.
program is 1. So, kasi mga tanahan man 6.4. O man di man parehas.
Saya pa daw.
Ang sa program is program din ko. Ayun na sir. Oh, kindly
Yes, sir.
correct
Take
lang
note, sir.
Ato elevation ko diyan, doon mo ba tayo sa elevation sa
Si Juan man sa isa, si
riverbed.
engineer Paul, designer dyan rin. Sige, sir. Take note, anak, sir. Si
Saan mo doon sa nasa
I-update daw kung baga ng tapikan monitoring sa Procurement.
yes, sir. Actually, ang designer dito din, sir.
Patining po kaning sa, I don't know, nagsabi sila magulang. Ang yung sa removal of structure, sa construction, sa program, ang nakabutan, parehas sa tanan, removal of structure ng structure, wala gate open parenthesis kung sa'yo pagdalon. Actually, ang diya, maparo man. Kailangan may lagi remarks kung sa'yo remove. Ang problema, dili sa first page sa PAW, para at least magpareha ang PAW sa pa. Naunod na remarks sa during break. Na-take note mo, natakal na during sa pre-procurement. May isabit na PAW din sa proof. Take note ang una, removal of structure construction. Tanan siya, wala, specify ko sa'yo remove. Ang advertise na sige, advertise ng quantity. Sa PAW, isip mo, create mo siya ng WhatsApp. Ikaw meters, mag-imo ikaw kung sa tao yung pag-estimate kung sa balong hotel. Okay lang yun. Bakit? Kung plano, pero at least mas magparehas pa ang plano sa ito.
Sige, sir. I-reply ka lang. Matyan, sir.
I-enter din yan. Talaga itong elevation ng kagawang sa rate, importante rin muna. At least, sa anang pagpagkabala. Ikon ako. Sa highest blood ka,
Design,
Sir,
sir.
alis niya. Dahil napunta mo lang highest blood, blood elevation.
Ang difference niya ba? Difference na.
Check mo ba kung ano yung pero nila pasyan din sa akin. Ila tagkuan dato na ila elevation sa ila bali top na sa dayan. Tapos na ila elevation kutob sa capping kana atras para maubos mo. Pero may ila elevation sa dito bali riverbed. Kasi uneven siya. Okay. Paano ka yan? Para sa sentro bali.
At least makuha ang facility. Kanan ang highest blood elevation, design naman. Basing king.
Siya matukod sir. Matukod.
Any other concern? So, maghatag mo pa ito ng plano?
Pwede na, sir. Para
Ito kung complete na sa details. So, Ito lang na-post siguro.
Tanawa sa profile, ano niya?
Papasin lang sa
Sige, tatanaw.
Langin ito sila sa profile ito. Down.
Kaya lang pala, wala pa nakuha.
Yeah.
Wala iyan ako. Kita siguro ito sa mo doon na yung mga mano, pero yung visually na kuha ko makita mabasa tayo. Makita ko na tayo. Yan, ito po kaya ang muna mo pa. So, i-add up lang siguro na. Yan na, may elevation ko ako makita. Dito, yan. Okay, palagi ko. Sige. Any other concern?
For that to be. Okay na po.
Ito, dito, okay na.
Para sir, proceeded na dyan. Sa kami ng mga estimates for the perennial and structural naman.
Yung certification na nag-iba natin dyan yung free-proof na okay, yung mga natin yung pato dito.
Ano sir, di ba ang charge niya si Kajorex? Pwede mo mga lagi.
So, yung may papel nga po na nagsabukan mo natin yung free-proof.
Yes sir.
Na supposedly ma-attach sa project sa ITB, IB ang iyang certification, especially kay monitor kita. Mga
Gawin dito ba naman dito rin? Pawaya pa po.
Anong dito rin yung sa kaya mga? Oo.
Kasi mo dito, pero
Ako kasi nga dito sa
So dito bilagi kan dili pa to.
Oo.
Ang maigo ilaw dito. Ang maigo na pag dito na
doon siya natuloy. Doon na.
sugot na. Kaya
Doon siya sa po.
Ang problema kung nakuha nila ang
ang tanong ko yung na supposedly attach to this study na explain na nila ako na yung dito. Sa tiyapo may kabuk na ano pagkayan doon tapang nato ito pag pinipalihog ko kaya
yes sir.
yung balik-balik tag-istorya sige ini yung concern na ito so we will proceed sir the second contract ID 23 MG0150 prepare of classroom MARIANO Memorial Central Elementary School Surigao City Surigao Department with an ABC of 9,488,174 pesos and 27 centavos with the contract duration.
Once again, good morning, ma'am and sir. Also, good morning for the interested leaders. For the next project, we have prepare of classroom batch 2, MARIANO Memorial Elementary School, located at Surigao City, Surigao del Norte. Let's proceed for the summary of quantities. We have for other general requirements, item B.3, permits and clearances, lump sum. B.5, project billboards or signboards, each. B.7, occupational safety and health program, walang sum. For earthworks, we have item 8011, removal of structures and obstruction, lump sum. 8031A, structure excavation of common soil, 26.56 cubic meters. 8041A, embankment from roadway or structure excavation, common soil, 21.53 cubic meters. 8042A, embankment from barrow, common soil, 36.05 cubic meters. 8047, gravel fill, 44.06 cubic meters. For drain and reinforced concrete works, we have item 9001I, structural concrete class A, 28 days, 63.6 cubic meters. 9021A1 reinforcing steel of deformed grade 40, 3,218.33 kilograms. 9021A2 reinforcing steel deformed grade 60, 634.49 kilograms. 9032 formworks and false works, 179.78 square meters. For masonry works, we have item 10462A1, CHB non-load bearing of 100 mm thick, 142.35 square meters. 10462A2, CHB non-load bearing, 150 mm thick, 82.9 square meters. For fabricated materials, we have item 10102, doors, wood panel, 19.74 square meters. 10102A, door flush, 9.39 square meters. 10091A, jalousie, windows, glass, 69.28 square meters. 10056, window accessories for window grills, 69.28 square meters. 1008 1C, aluminum glass window, awning type, 1.2 square meters. 1003 17, carpentry and joinery works for door jambs and organs, lump sum. 1004 2, finishing hardware for lock set and hinges, lump sum. For finishing works, we have item 10271, cement plaster finish, 492.5 square meters. 1003 1B4, selling of 6 mm thick wood frame marine plywood, 569.8 square meters. 1003 2A1, wall, 4.5 mm thick metal frame fiber cement board, 17.1 square meters. 10181, glaze tiles and trims, 10.5 square meters. 10182, and glaze tiles, 744.76 square meters. For painting works, we have item 10321A, painting works for masonry or concrete, 1,682.1 square meters. 10321B, painting works for wood, 680.59 square meters. 10321C, painting works for steel, 1,372.68 square meters. For roof framing and roofing works, we have item 1014182, repainted metal sheets of above 0.427 mm thick, corrugated long span, 626.69 square meters. 10132A, fabricated metal roofing accessories for reach or hip rolls, 62.25 linear meters. 10132B, fabricated metal roofing accessories for flashing, 60.46 linear meters. 10132C, fabricated metal roofing accessories for gutters, 26.4 linear meters. 10477, structural steel for ceiling hanger and angle bar frame, lump sum. 10478A, structural steel for trusses, 59,980.02 kilograms. 10478B, structural steel for forlins, 5,424.26 kilograms. 10475A, metal structural accessories for bolts and rods, 96.86 kilograms. 10475B, metal structural accessories for steel plates, 979.95 kilograms. 10475B, metal structural accessories for cross bracing, 265.1 kilograms. 10474B, metal structural accessories for turnbuckles, 52 each. For plumbing and sanitary works, we have item 10019, storm drainage and downspout, lump sum. And for electrical works, we have item 110010, conduit boxes and fittings, includes conduit works or conduit drop-in, lump sum. 11001, 33 wires and wiring devices, lump sum, and item 11031, lighting fixtures, lump sum. So, para sa ato project for MEMSES na tayo pat ka building subjected for repair. Mostly focus ang ato repair din sa duha ka building sa lower right nato nga portion. So para sa building 1 nato, ang ato trabahon diri is replacement ta sa trusses, sa roof, no, sa roof accessories o ato sab i-replace ang kaning wall sa liko sa rear portion ng ato building. Ang ato ingon diri is murag ato i-extend dito sa kuan ang na sila existing diha na CR. So ang ato new wall diha ato na i-align sa existing CR. So kani mo ni ang daan nga ang existing kuan existing building nila to aron o so mao na ni ang outcome sa ato kuan proposed repairs for sa building 1. So natay ibutang bag-o na column or para mag-divide diri sa between powerful room over to the room. O kani kung sa may clinic nila o sa bed sa Miramonte. So ang ato sa existing karon na nila na kuan nga wall is kaning may kuan pa kaning may white na column. So ato na extend dito sa likod muupong na sa ilang mga katong existing nila na CR sa kuan likod install lang sab nato ng mga column. So na nailali niya balinog ako ilalom. Then napuntay kuan diri concrete toppings sa room ug sa corridor. So kuan 0.15 15 50 mm ang sa corridor o 300 mm sa classroom o 300 mm ang kuan. Kabagaan. Inches siguro. Sa 1 foot. Bali sa ang angat dahil hindi na boss. Sorry. Ang ija pag-raise bali. So 100 ang sa sorry. 100 ang bubos. 100 ang grabe 100 po na raise na ng 300 sa 30 sa sorry. Ito sa flooring gi-raise kay asa na nila problem is canal o tubigan. Dili na kaya may system mga nila bilang sunod ko ganyan mo kamay gamay murag ang may mura ka rin ang clearance so ang bintana ang ilang mga bintana is naman ay ada para sa bintana diyan pwede ta ubang sa may schedule ng doors and windows or sa elevation bintana daw magtindo pag na ang sa bintana diyan is na ay mga existing transom ang bintana. So ang karon nato gibuhat is tagtanggal ang transom pag sagad dito ang ato jealousy sa ubos nagdugang taog isa ka halog lang. O ato pulihan ng isa ka halog lang.
Maubos ba yan kahit sa building ini?
Oo sir. Kaya dili naman mabago ang panito mga dili naman. Jari ang para sa schedule ng ato bintana. Tapos sa building 1 na mani murag tapad sa building 1 ay murag water tank nila dito. So gibutangan nato o water gutter ang atubangan para ngadto i-supply ang tubig sa ilawan. Mo pila kay buhat rod so ikulihan nato ng gutter.
Babaw ng kartahan
ipang change ang pagkanog sabay sa habog sir. Oh, dyan. Yes, 2.1 gyapon na ko ba. Bali magtanggal ra ang tingali taw kung sa ka. Oo, sir. Pupuli man tagka diha o kuan jam o purtahan. So, sinta sabi ko. So, pati ang para sa building 1 po, additional ang selling, replacement na to ang selling, then ang 1 po, electrical works. Napod tayo gibutang additional granite tile sa classroom, building 1, pero classroom.
Sa corridor na.
Wala na sa corridor. So, additional to po, ang ato kada window na po tayo ginabutang na window grills sa katong mga window na wala pa nakabili. So, para sa building, proceed sa building 2 dali is katong tapad na po sa building 1 dito sa lower right ng ato development, pinakatilid na building. Ang dito ko ba? Floor, sa floor lang. Dyan. So, proceed ta sa building 2. So, sa building 2, ang ato trabahon diri is pare-pareha po sa building 1. Gipasakaan po nato ang flooring ng 0.3 sa classroom o 0.3 o 0.15 po sa corridor. The rip is nagbutang tanang ang i-replace nato ang ila partition. Ang existing room na partition nila dito is between classroom is control wall. So, ginapulihan nato ng CHB. 4 nga CHB. Then, kaning sa salas na room, i-request sila na i-divide po. So, divide na nga room. So, butangan sa nato ng additional drywall. Katong naka-fiber cemented drywall. Double walling. Naka-granite tile subsidya. So, tapos, ang ija doors o windows, amo gyapon. Oo, sir. Pagtunga pa nila. Kaya ang karon nakatunga naman to daan. So, gusto nila na mura bitaw amura gyapon ang pagka-placement bitaw nila sir. So, mura ang nahitabo diha is ilang
Classroom gyapon.
ang isa sir mo classroom ang sa may left portion sa may right portion ang sa left portion ng classroom sila. Mura ging anak nila pa. Mga SPED man po na diha sir. Mga SPED na estudyante. Then, include sa building to na to ang replacement of truss, replacement of roof, replacement of installation of ceiling, then electrical works. Naka-granite tiles po din nga 60 by 60 cm ang ato kanila storage. So, yeah. So, ang Windows po installan niya po na to window grills sa katong mga wala pa grills sa existing karon. Sige pa ma, sige naman. So, proceed sa para sa building 4 nato. Kaning sa may Kinder Memorial. Makita niyo sa site din dito sa lower left portion ng ato ng site development. So sa Kinder Memorial, ang trabaho diri is replacement rata ng replacement ta ng ceiling, mag-replace po ta ng ceiling ventilation, i-replace po na to ang ila roofing roof o electrical. Then at mag-install po ta og ceramic tiles diha na 600 by 600 mm kay kinder man ni. So ila gusto nila ma-tiles kay yaka-yakaan ko yung mga bata. Then mag-repainting po ta para sa interior and exterior walls.
Sino sa elevated? Elevated.
Dili na sir, elevated na sir. Sige, dili ka. So, proceed ka para sa kinder boseho. So, muna siya ang backmost kung sa type div pa backmost portion ng ilaban. So, upper left ni siya makita. Ang trabaho ng diri is paano ta magbutang ta ng tiles, mag-replacement po ta ng portion ra sa ceiling, katurang sa neighbor sa CR. Balik sa So, dari kan naka-red portion sa may reflected ceiling plan, isa ra ka plito na ceiling ato ibutang. O mag-tiles po ta diri, requested nila. Kay kinder gyapon na magamit. Tapos, ang doors, duha ka doors, kaning duha ka doors sa tubangan ng classroom. Ang diri, ang pulihan ra, door jump ray pulihan diri. As is na ang doors o i-rainfall ra ang doors. O kaning may door for ta ilang may toilet, pulihan nato na og flash door kay request mo sila na. Switch mo. So, additional works for sa building na to, katong sa may kinder is installan sa ng grills ang ila existing window dito. So, para sa building 4, kani malocate na sa site dev, tunga-tunga ni siya ng school building na at magatbang man baga ni siya sa gymnasium or playground nila. Ang trabaho diri is mag-replace rata ng window, replacement of doors, magbutang sa ng ceramic tiles sa tulo ka classroom. Ang mag-replace ta ng doors diri kaning sa may bandra, kaning nakapuya, kaning isa okay pa ni isa. O kaning para sa window po, grills ra to itaw diri. Butangan ra ng grills ang ilang mga existing yung mga existing windows. So, proceed ta para sa building 4. Sige. So, sa next building 5. Kaning building 5, tapad-tapad rin siya sa katong kinder memorial. So, makita ko ni lower left ng ato set development. Ang trabaho ng diri is mag-install ta ng ceramic tiles, install po ta ng window grills para sa window 11 o window 10. So, makita diri sa floor plan kaning nakapuyara na portion amo ra diri i-replace. Then magbutang sagta ng magpulisag ta ng doors, ila mga main doors dito. Then ila door jump sag. So, sa last building nato, we have building 6. Ang kaning building is two-story ni siya. May two-story ni siya na banda. Tapos ang ilang trabaho na diri is kaning diri portion, kaning may kinder ko diri, kinder Visayan. Ang trabaho diha is mag-install ta ng ceramic tiles. Then magbutang sagta ng window grills sa mga bintana nila katong mga wala nila na kusog window grills. So that's all for premises. There, thank you.
Okay. Any concern? Or Queries?
By classroom, kung sa akong sa isa ka, mga per page din itong weird. For example, sa isang classroom, ini na mga pages ang sunod-sunod.
Oo, nagsunod na sa.
Klase pa lang na, tanang floor plan, tag-table.
Wala.
Para di mag-label.
Sa isa ka building na trabahoon, tanan nagsunod na ija na trabahoon. Tapos pag another floor plan na po, dito bugto na. So,
Para di malibulan.
May tayo sa tong sa paano to story with nights.
walay tiles sir. Ang may tiles na portion sir kadtong nasa floor plan kadto sa may ubos. Kinder nandun to. Gusto nila mag.
Okay. So, wala concern. So, we will proceed with the third contract ID, 23 NG0151, repair of classroom, Surigao del Norte, National High School, Surigao City, Surigao del Norte, with an ABC of 86,968,657 pesos and 83 centavos and a contract duration of 210 calendar days. Sige.
So good morning, everyone, ma'am and sir. So I'm going to present to you the project repair of classrooms, Surigao del Norte, National High School, Surigao City, Surigao del Norte. So let's proceed to the quantities. Item B.3 permits and clearances, 1 lump sum. Item B.5 project billboard signboard, 2 each. Item B.72 occupational safety and health program, 1 lump sum. Item 8011 removal of structures and obstruction, 1 lump sum. Item 80178 removal of structures and obstruction for steel, 22,163.66 kilogram. Item 901 I removal structural concrete class A 28 days, 8.98 cubic meters. Item 9021A1 reinforcing steel, grade 40 262.65 kilograms. Item 9032 formworks and falseworks, 1,945.86 square meters. Item 10462A1 CHB, 100 millimeters thick, 34.42 square meters. Item 100317 carpentry and joinery works, 1 lump sum. Item 10042 finishing hardware, 1 lump sum. Item 1005 steel window, 1 lump sum. Item 10081A aluminum glass windows sliding type, 13.27 square meters. Item 10081B aluminum glass windows fixed type, 2.04 square meters. Item 10091A jealousy windows, 114.36 square meters. Item 10102A doors flush, 56.04 square meters. Item 10102B doors wood panel, 49.43 square meters. Item 10031B for ceiling, 4,283.19 square meters. Item 10032A1 wall, 42 square meters. Item 10011A1 fascia board, 780.01 meters. Item 10161A waterproofing, 4.05 square meters. Item 10182 unglazed tiles, 743 square meters. Item 10211A cement floor finish, 434.89 square meters. Item 10271 cement plaster finish, 31.12 square meters. Item 10321A painting works, masonry and concrete, 922.88 square meters. Item 10321B painting works, wood, 230.6 square meters. Item 10321C painting works, steel, 4,451.98 square meters. Item 10361A polycarbonate sheets, solid, 149.43 linear meters. Item 1014182 pre-painted metal sheets, corrugated long span, 2,681.38 square meters. Item 10132A fabricated metal roofing accessory, ridge rolls, 303.25 linear meters. Item 1013-2B, fabricated metal roofing accessory flashing, 235.09 linear meters. Item 1013-2C, fabricated metal roofing accessory, gutters, 4.5 linear meters. Item 1047-7, structural steel, 1 lump sum. Item 1047-8A, structural steel, trusses, 19,160.81 kilograms. Item 1047-8B, structural steel, purlins, 18,774.93 kilograms. Item 1047-4B, metal structure accessories, turnbuckle, 190 each. Item 1047-5C, metal structure accessories, cross bracing, 1,395.69 kilograms. Item 1047-5D, metal structure accessories, steel plates, 3,974.79 kilograms. Item 1047-5A, metal structure accessories, bolts, 350.6 kilograms. Item 1047-5B, metal structure accessories, subgrads, 719.25 kilograms. Item 1018, sewer line works, 1 lump sum. Item 1024, plumbing fixtures, 1 lump sum. Item 1224, cold water lines, 1 lump sum. Item 1110, conduits, boxes, and fittings, 1 lump sum. Item 1133, wires and wiring devices, 1 lump sum. Item 1103-1, lighting fixtures including ceiling fan, 1 lump sum. So showing you the perspective of one of the major works of this project, the four-story and 12 classroom na building. So our site development plan. Next. So in this project, we have 15 buildings. So makita nato dili ang mga locations sa scope aning project. So let's proceed. So sa ato building 1, sa ato scope of works, so ang ato dili trabahoon, ang major is ang replacement of ceiling sa 4th floor. Whole area, bagoon ang ceiling. Then, ang repairs of windows and doors. So, makita diri sa every floor kung asa ang mga window nga done. Then, installation of unglazed tiles sa every floor. Makita diri kung ano ang mga classroom ang butangan ng tiles. Ito sa dito classroom nga nanay existing. Then, ang sewer line works and cold water line works replacement. So, okay lang roof structure din. Then, ang iyang ato. Next.
Ang turo niyo ng cards, oh.
Sir, 50 tiles.
Tiles.
Yes, building. So, next, building 2. Ang trabaho diri is ang replacement of roof structure. So, ang ila existing dito kahoy, then ila atop alisdan. So, steel truss na ang gamiton. Then, including ang ceiling replacement and replacement of doors and windows. Then, electrical. Sa kailangan binigay ko dito ng electrical. So, makita na diri sa atop floor plan kung nasa ng mga area ang alisdan ng pultahan o bintahan.
Pwede maklaro dito, no? Yeah, may kurang.
Datong J label, sir.
Kung roofing yun, bilisan mo lang ang roofing doon tanan.
Oo, sir. Oo, appeal siya dyan.
Pero di makita diyan, dahil dapat roofing.
Sa next, paliw mo, next sheet. Dira sa ceiling, then next. Sa ubos mo naman. Sa ceiling ko na, next. Dari dyan,
Diyan.
sa roof plan. Then next building. So next building 3. So ini na building isang alisdanan na isang portion ng ceiling na makita natin sa ceiling sa ubos. Then sa ato portion na sa kung sa diyan na indicate na sukod. There is a building 4 is ang office ini siya na part sa building. Pinakakilid ini siya na part. So, replacement of roof structure bago siya na ato and ceiling bago sa including electrical works. So, para sa building 5, itong main na building sa Surigao High, kung kapansin ka mo tanday na polycarbonate sheets sa tunga. So, amay niya ang mga classroom nga maigo ang mga apil sa project. So, proceed. So, first sa MAPE office. So, sa MAPE office, ang trabaho on there is ang replacement of portion sa ceiling. Then, installation of windows sa ila patag suggest is sliding window. Then, ini aton polycarbonate sheet na alisdananan dyan sa tunga sa Surigawan na building. Ipaalisdanan nila ito yung ato. So, using polycarbonate 3 mm solid na sheet. Then, Rizal na classroom. So, portion na po sa ceiling ang alisdan. Replacement of marine plywood lang. Then, ang ilang bintana is installation of new fixed glass. Kaya okay naman ang ilang window dito, ang ilang steel na window. So, replacement na ang fixed na glass. Next. So, sa TLE, faculty office, replacement of roof structure. So, hindi rin maklaro sa roof plan. Gamay na part dito na may atok. Kaya pag slab, then may part na atok. So, amo to ang alisdan. So, ang ato gamit nila na roof structure is rafter. Then, installation of new ceiling plan. Then, sa ceiling plan, sir. Including na po din ng electrical works, sir. Kaya kung ba mga ceiling, pag kung mga electrical. Then, diri ko tapos pinakin. Diyan main stair window. So, kung makaagi kita sa isa sa mga stairs dito, is dako nga bintana. So, ako hindi siya trabahoon. So, fixed glass, installation of fixed glass. Then, itong fixed glass dito is may part na buak naman. Like, tanan doon buak. Ang doon makita nito sa ikaduha na column. Sa ikaduha nga column is maklaro na ito dila na owning siya. So instead nga fixed glass ang ibutang dito, owning window kay para if ever sa jay kaagihanan o kagawasan ng hangin. Dila para nila existing nga fixed glass is wala man dyan ventilation. So ang siguro ito isa sa cause na nabuak. Ganyan ang tanan nila dito bintana. So sa grade 10 Quezon nga classroom, ang alisdananan is replacement of window and repair of steel window. So, may part dito sa bintana nga alisdananan dito tibuok apil ang steel window and nakoy part na fixed glass ra ang ibutang. So, makalaro sa floor plan ang location sa mga bintana. Then, grade 10 Gomez classroom is replacement of whole ceiling, including electrical works. So proceed kita sa building 6. So, ang trabaho there sa building 6 is replacement of doors and windows, then replacement of roofing sheets. So, ang existing na dito na atras mo oray gamiton sheets lang alistan ang ato. Then, replacement of doors and windows, mga kaya sa floor plan. Then, replacement of water closets. Kay, dito naman functional na ng water closets dito. Then, electrical works. Next. Narang sa roof plan and schedule of doors and windows. Building 7. So, building 7, 3 classrooms. So, new, bago hindi sila na roof structure, bago na trusses, bago na atop, and bago sad na ceiling, including mga blackboard, and new doors, panel doors, and windows. So, building 8, another 4-story, 12 classroom building. So, ang trabaho on dire is replacement of roof structure, but portion lang, dili tanan trusses of atop may mga alisdan. And replacement of doors and windows, electrical works and ceiling, support floor gihapon. Then, floor patching, and sewer line and cold water lines replacement. Yes, sir, sa structure lang. Oh, sir, sa structural na sheets. Makita. Mo, proceed lang ang structural. Or makita or later. Kotlo na yan sa architectural. Then, so next building. Building 9, 2 classroom. So, replacement of portions sa atop, especially sa eaves na part sa gawas. And sa sayod sa building, replacement of portion na fiber cement. Kaya gamay raman na part na naguwa sa ila. So, ibalik natin fiber cement na sa ceiling. Building 10, 2 classrooms. So, kini nga building is replacement of roof structure, bago na atop, and some sa roofing accessories. Then, replacement of ceiling, replacement of doors and windows, including blackboard. Building 11, another 4-story and 12 classroom na building. So, ang ini nga building nga 4-story is replacement of whole structure gid siya. Mga truss, purlins, and atop. Then, ang ceiling, bago gihapon, including electrical works. Then, na siya painting po ng sa ceiling na slab sa 3rd floor. Kay, tungod sa dugay na lagyang sa taas, sa 4th floor, daw ni mga tubig dito. Ang dyan ihulog na, niabot na sa 3rd floor nga ceiling, lain na tan-awon. So, ang dyan including sila sa painting. So, replacement kaya po sa sewer lines and cold water lines, and doors and windows, mga portion. Then, floor patching some. Next. Building 12, another 4-story, 12 classroom. So, yun yung pinakalas, medyo may bukang kabuk, 4-story, 12 classroom. So, sa last na 4-story, 12 classroom, replacement of roof structure, portion ng gihapon. And replacement of doors and windows. And same gapon sa last building 11 is na po siya portion sa ceiling sa third floor na i-paint, new painting. Then sa floor patching, nagyan po siya portion. Building 13 for classroom. So, replacement of roof structure, steel trusses, including steel trusses, purlins, then ang atop, and new ceiling, including electrical works, and sa floor plan, bago na mga pultahan, including bago pultahan, wala ba dyan yung mga windows. Next. Okay. So next building, 14A. So any na building is consists of 5 classrooms. So ang first four classrooms, amo siya installation of ceiling, wooden ceiling. Then sa ikalimang classroom is replacement of fiber cement board kay okay pa may ceiling dito, portion lang ang kailangan i-fix. So, building 14B. So, ining building 14A and B in si Jackie, tapad rin sila, tagsumpay. But, gilain na gibutangan ka mo A o B, kay ining nga building, ang 14B is 2-story in si Jackie. At on first 5 classrooms, 1-story ra ito si Jackie. So, sa 14B, replacement of ceiling, and replacement of sa ilang partition is portion kay ang ilang partition dito is wooden, and alisdan na part ng alisdan kay medyo na lata na. So dili makita sa drywall partition details kung masa ang portion na alisdan. Then building 15, 2-story 4 classrooms, 2-story 8 classrooms. So there is replacement of wooden ceiling sa second floor and replacement po sa sewer line and cold water lines. So typical plans and details para sa atong ceiling, itong atong bago na design. Sa hanger support and angle bar na 65 by 65 and 50 by 50. Next. Critical details sa blackboard. So sa ato structural sa building 2, amo ini ang full truss detail. So 65 by 65 ang top chord and bottom chord, 50 by 50 ang members. Full truss. So ang mga part sa trusses mo change. Then building 4, rafter type ang gamiton nga para sa sa roof structure. Then ang portion sa roof framing plan. So amo dyan ang rafter details sa ubos. Amo niya itong building na office ra na part ang i-repair. Then building 5 sa TLA faculty office tong may part ra pod nga ato na kailangan alisdan, rafter type gyapon ang gamiton. Then building 9, roof framing plan sa portion ng roof na nasa eaves part. Next one. So wala siya i-truss sa eaves na ato pang alisdan. Building 7, itong 3 classrooms, 1-story 3 classrooms. So, tanan, alista ng truss. So, same ra na design sa truss, 65 by 65 top and bottom, members 50 by 50. So, sa ubos, makita ang roof framing plan. Next. building. So building 8 amoy niya sa 4-story na 12 classroom nga portion ra ang alisdan sa process. So diri sa ubos makita na jori tuyo katras ang alisdan. Then portion sa roof and cross bracing and sagad. Amo na sa purlins. Sa building 10, so full truss. Dira makita ang mga sa roof framing plan. Kung nasa mga truss na alisdan, including cross bracing and sagad. Building 11, so amoy niyan isa sa mga 4-story. 12 classroom nga, amoy na si Jantan classroom nga, a building nga alisdan tibuok. Whole roof structure. Isa sa mga 4-story 12 classroom.
Amo ko nagbasa natin ng coding. Building 11,
Oh, building 11, sir.
Amo ko nagbasa ba? May mo coding nimo.
Oh, no, sir.
Kasi di na kumutan, building 11.
Ato, sir, sa taas.
Natabunan sa tabunan. Dili man matanggal.
Dahil mismo kayo babori.
Dili natabunan lamang, sir.
So, amo na ito, full truss detail. So, sa ubos, maklaro ang sa roof, makita ang roof framing plan. Then next. Sa taas. Another 4-story 12 classroom, building 12. So, amo niyang portion na alisdan sa iyang mga trusses. So, atong existing nga mga trusses is dire sa right side na part ang i-repair. Including ang sagrads and purlins and cross bracing. Next. And building 15, new bago na mga trusses. So, ato design sa full truss detail. Then sa roof framing plan, makita ang location siya. Location ko sa mga trusses. Sagrads, including sagrads and purlins. Next. So, typical connection details para sa 4-story 12 classroom. Mga connection details sa building 8, 11, and 12. Next. Sa plumbing, siguro. Para sa building 1, 8, 11, and 12. So, dahil nila design sa plumbing layout sa cold water and sewer line works. Isometric. So that's it for the SURIGAO, the Norte National High School.
Okay. Any concern? Iris, yes, sir.
Number 1 ako pumunta na. Out of the 15 karong na no?
Building, sir. Building.
Buildings, may some of the replacement lugar actual na daw mo tag-detalye ko man kung building 1 ako na trust. Kaya actual na daw nili ko na itong kukubra sa makita. I-compare nato sa kaya to as well tagunita kaya actual nito na nakadetalye ka mo ning anak ko malato 10%.
Aton sa
Tanan,
aton sa
tanan sa mention mo diya kaya 1 to 12 kung 15 manggalingan may
para sa roof and
sa number 1 sa roof
trusses.
kung nila trust lugar kung building 1 manggaling na mag-replace kita na dili mo lang nanubasi kita sa standard ng plano kung nila may actual ka mo.
Oh, sir, yung sa problema sa mga roof dire kay aside kung mo mga concern tong building nga wala dili standard ang ilang end wall, okay ra din sa SURIGAO kahit mga standard may nila mga atok diri.
Lagi.
So,
standard, pero
mo fit siya sa process na design.
so yeah, kapag maganda ka. Well, so I mean, ato tayo sutan ko mag-drawing ra.
No, sir, nagkanda kami, nagsukod kami dito.
May apro ko ka. So the number na kwansa. And some of the siguro is the corrugated na roofing. Corrugated o daturan long span and ato or ano may
Corrugated sir, long span. Amo dyan ng accessories. Amo dyan na mo gamit nga sa mo pagka sa pao na mo sa mo program. Amo dyan na mo gamit na corrugated long span. O dyan nga.
Waya datong plain ra na
Waya sir. Waya.
poros corrugated na datong usual lagi.
Yes sir. O amo dyan na mo gamit sa mga school buildings.
So mo lang tanan niya datong plain na may mga program dito.
O sir.
Wala yung ribs type.
Ito mga hindi pa mga type. Pero yung nato mission is puro corrugated.
Yes, sir.
Kaya para hindi ba magkwento pa.
Oh, sir. Isa ra ang klase sa dire sa mo.
Isa ra man ang klase ng program sa ato. And then pre-painted metal sheets nga above 0.4 to 7 millimeters thick. Corrugated longs.
So daw iligigapon nga na pero sa lain sila na sa lain lugar na building nila nagbutang gawon.
Adi sir, isa ra gyud ka klase nga roof ang amo gamit roof sheet sa
Yung,
tanan building.
repainted na metal sheets above 0.4 to 7 corrugated long span.
Yes sir. Maura na.
So datong
Isa ra sila tanan.
wala bali diri kita na kung going dito pag Surigao pagsaka diri sa right side ano? Diri Surigao saka kita
Both
diba?
side, oh, sir.
Sir, both side, diri na side, repair, diri po nga side na.
May sabi ka dito may makita baga to sa kuha na
Sige.
nagbitay na dito na to.
At
Appeal
side
ba doon?
development. Oh, sir, appeal na rin. Ini makita sa site development plan. So, diri man tong right side, tong more main gid nilang area.
O dito right side ang kung dari
Oo,
dari man right
dari-
side ang going sa ubos man ni kapito sa ubos.
Yes, sir. Ini sa left side, ito yung pasabot nga
Ini
general
down,
tayo.
down. Down
Oh,
may medyo may hats. Appeal down sa trabaon.
yes, sir, kan building 8.
Lagi di ba mo man
Ano,
ito ba
nagbitay
sa
na.
lagi pa nga nagbitay na
Oo,
to.
sir.
Appeal na trabaho mo.
Yes, sir, appeal.
Sige.
Any other concern? So, wala na. We proceed with last contract ID 23NG0152, construction of drainage canal, Barangay CANTUGAS, MAINIT, SURIGAO, NORTE. Yan ay BJ 1 million. Contract position of 15 calendar days.
Oo nga. Ilang doon, pabanta na.
Yes, sir.
So, for the project, construction of drainage, Barangay CANTUGAS, MAINIT, SURIGAO, starting station 0 plus 106.65, station 0 plus 110. Net length 103.35 meters. So this sa floor plan niya, makikita niya mga drainage. So nato pan project. So gikan dito sa may junction, kasunod sa may main river creek. So sa right side portion drainage niya. So for the summary contents for this project, first item 101 dito, removal of a structure, Shasun, 20 meter thick PVC and reinforced, 7.2 square meter. Next 101.6, removal of structure, Shasun, concrete, 11.23 cubic meter. Next 103.1 structure condition from soil, 175.21 cubic meter. Next 103.3 foundation fill, 10.34 cubic meter. Next 104.1A bucket roadway structure condition from soil, 36.35 cubic meter. Next 105.1A
Traffic preparation, materials, 7.2 square meter. Next, item 2001, aggregate service cost, 1.44 cubic meter. Next, item 311, 1B1, Portland cement concrete pavements and reinforced, 0.20 meter thick, 14 days, 7.2 square meter. Next, item 4041A, reinforcing steel with 40, 1,967.72 kilogram. Next, 405, 1A3, structural concrete, 45.08 cubic meter. Next, item A1110, provision living quarter for engineer rental basis, 1.67 month. Next, B41, construction service taking, 0.10 kilometer. Next, B5, project billboard for each. Next, B72, recipient program, 1 lump sum. Next, B81, traffic management, 1.67 months. Last, B9, mobilization demonstration, 1 lump sum. So this is the typical section of the drainage canal. So there is a portion about the left side. So sa connection nila sa beginning, so the cross drain nato na himoon uyog di doon kasi ngo dito pa left side and drain nila doon. So nato cross drain canal 1 meter and width. So 1.05 on height. So ang ground is 0.7 by 0.9 ang ija ano.
Hindi ko ay iso lagi. Trapiso dyan.
Hindi, kung sa existing canal dahil so, ano kibali ni canal sa tap dito sa cross drain na canal ng bus. Uyog dyan sir, uyog.
Pato na lang.
O, naglugsong mong kibali dyan sir. Hindi sila huyog. So, diya na kuan sa inlet ni sa pasinod dito paubos. Diya na kibali ang bigay ng project paubos. Sa this is the typical road B section. So, may yung offset from road edge. So, na yung kuan sa mobile sa PCP sa may cross drain kaya ni sila na portion iuli man nato dyan. So, this is the topographic plan. So, sa ija profile, makita din na naluksong siya pa right side. So, this is the two sections, the project. So, there is a makano ang isa existing canal. Yan may red na nakats. So, like we told me, Sir Robin, na naanak sa ang promoted.
Sir, kasi nakuha na ako ang permit for improvement sa project.
Kagaya ng po sa bato.
Nakapasok sa kuan ITBW.
Flight sa program.
Una-una.
Ano Taas mo.
Pwede.
So diya sa beginning diya ang ano cross drain siya kaya budayan man sa niya kaya ang trabaho on isa may kamay na sa paubos sa minsan pero may tamo sa nalan ka ng kasunod dito may buslot siya sa cross wala kasi mo dito di ba may cross drain man ka may buslot sa banato dahil kanang pahulid diri sa cross drain wala ang dito si laos ang tiwat dili laos dito di ba laos na palugtong ng gudit kaya di buslot ba ko buslot di ba kaya yung cross drain kailan lain ka na palugtong ng ang cross drain nato padayan ini cross drain talagang tanong dito sa kalinyaran ay
Any other concern about that? None? So we will proceed with the second agenda. Can we flash the technical, the checklist for the technical, explain technical and financial checklist. So we would like to remind all the prospective bidders who want to join this opening for this contract ID. Flash. Ang i-remind ang tanan, any missing documents from the checklist advertised will be outright rejection of your bid, especially among gi-highlight sa checklist, affidavit to site inspection. So all contractors who want to join must request for schedule for the site inspection and must have a data photos with the representative from the planning and design section. And my inspection code must be technical personnel from the contractor. We will not accommodate any contractors na magpadala ng liaison only, but we are required lamang na inspection is itong mga technical personnel. By technical, it must be a civil engineer, or NANAI, PLC ID, and then also company ID na naka-specify part gid siya sa firm. So, klaro naman na siya. So, asanan sa BO11 series of 2017, the minimum laboratory and major equipments required. So, kindly refer sa BO11 as per prescribed format sa kana siyang na DO. Any contractor submitted na wala o tunod sa format, we will also automatically reject your bid since instructed naman na sa checklist. The financial also na-upload na siya na postpone sa builders, so DPWH website. So any queries na gusto ninyo i-ask, you can visit here sa ang office, DPWH SURIGAO NORTE Second District Engineering Office, Bidding and Awards Committee, and look for Engineer Maria-Apugina-Vivero for procurement and if there are any other queries, any question. Yes. So any other concern from the board member about DPWG? If none, this pre-bid conference is adjourned. Thank you and God bless us all. Happy lunch.